Hello guys, I'm Sean from Complete PC Guide. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to record any sounds on your PC without a microphone. This will be a very useful trick at times if you are unable to save your audio or file that you are working on, or at any circumstances. Okay, now let's skip on to the tutorial. First of all, you'll have to open up sound dialog box. You can do it by searching on the start menu search. Once the dialog box appears, go to the recordings tab and then right click on stereo mix. If you see a mono mix or other similar options, you can go for it because all those have the same functions. So now right click on stereo mix and set it as default communication device. Now I'll be showing you how the proof of recording. So for now I'm going to disable the microphone here so that other voice does not infect it. So now I'm going to disable the microphone for proof.